All right, I want to talk to you guys about the iPhone 5. My bill, I have the iPhone 5 here. I have the iPhone 5S, and I also got the iPhone 6S. But we're going to start out with the iPhone 5. So, when I had the iPhone 5, it was a very long time ago. I had the iPhone 5. It was a very, very long time ago. And I used this up basically to the point where I couldn't charge it anymore. No matter what type of charger I had, it wouldn't charge. So I had to go buy a new phone. And mind you, having the iPhone 5, my bill then was $69.99. Just the iPhone 5. Then I got the iPhone 5S. Now, mind you, my bill was $110. My bill was $110 with the iPhone 5S. So buying the iPhone 6S, it was basically, I don't own this phone. I have this phone, but I don't own this phone. I'm paying for it. It's on a lease. It's on a lease. So this phone, I think originally cost about $700, but it's on the lease, so I'm financing it. So it's basically $27 a month for this phone for I think 18 months or something like that. $27 a month for 18 months to pay off this phone, or to pay more than half, to pay 3/4 of the weight of this phone. It's about 18 months. That's the contract. 18 months, $27. But mind you, that's $27 added to 110. And I'm going to break it down to you right now. I'm going to show you to you on paper right now. All right, so after buying the iPhone 5S, remember, when I had the iPhone 5S, when I had this one, my phone bill was $110, right? And then when I got the iPhone 6S, my bill jumped to $151. Now I'm going to break it down to you and tell you why. So I called Sprint and I was like, why is my phone so much right now? I just bought the iPhone 6S. Can you tell me what I have on my bill and basically break it down and tell me what I pay for, everything that I pay for? And she's like, all right. So she said, your data plan is $69.99, right? And I was like, okay. And she's like, you have an additional $10 for unlimited text talk and 450, talking minutes. For unlimited text, and she said, your data plan is $69.99. That's your data plan. You have an additional $10 added to it for unlimited texting and internet with 450 minutes. But it's like, what the fuck? What the hell is $69.99 for? What the fuck is $69.99? What kind of data plan is this plus $10? I don't want the $69. If it's $10 for unlimited text and internet and 450 fucking minutes, let me pay fucking $10 a month. What the fuck am I paying $69 for? What the fuck is $69 for? But anyways, so this is what this lady's telling me. She's like, your data plan is $69.99 plus an additional $10 for unlimited text, internet, and 450 minutes. $5. She said $5 for free. She said $5 for free minutes after 6 p.m. or something like that. And I was like, what the fuck? And I was like, normally other companies, that's fucking free, because it's free. After 6 p.m., it's fucking free. So she said it's $5 for after 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. or something like that. And since I got the iPhone 6S with the bigger memory, it's $33 for my phone because it's a lease. So I'm paying an extra $33 every month. This $33 basically my phone that I'm paying for. So if you add all this up, it comes to about $116. This is basically my phone bill. Just my phone now. This is just my phone bill. 33 plus 5 plus 10 plus 69 is 116, right? It's $116.99, right? Now I have a $10 discount. I guess it's a discount, customer value appreciation discount or something like that. So you take $10 off this, it's $106. That's my phone bill just for the phone. Now let's do the tablet. Since I got the tablet, $15 a month for the tablet service, the 1 megabyte service. It's $15 a month for the service. Plus, the lady said, she's like, and you have $29 insurance fee added to your $15 tablet. So I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I was like, what? She's like, you have to pay $29 a month, including the $15. The $15 is a service. But you says here you have insurance and the insurance is $29 a month. And I was like, whoa, I never got insurance for my tablet. And she's like, well, it says here you have to pay $29 a month because you have insurance. This is covers for insurance. I was like, I was like, is there a way you could take the insurance off? Because I don't remember getting insurance. I never got insurance for my tablet. The guy told me about having, you know, a tablet just for $15 a month. He didn't mention anything to me about insurance. I don't know why I have insurance for a tablet. It's like let's make some sense here. I don't even fucking use this tablet. I use my phone and I don't even fucking have insurance for my phone. Why the fuck is there insurance on my tablet? It just doesn't fucking make any sense. When I got the tablet, you know, this is what the fuck I got the tablet for, $15 fucking a month, not for fucking 29 plus 15. I don't even fucking want this fucking shit if you're gonna fucking charge me 29. I don't even fucking ask for fucking insurance, you know? And then so this is my bill, including my appreciation discount is 106. That's for my phone bill. Plus 15 plus 29 is 150 fucking one. All right. Now, including my $10 discount, my bill comes down to 141. So right now, as of now, my bill is 140 fucking one. It jumped from $69. The iPhone 5. I had iPhone 5, 69 bucks. I had the iPhone 5S. I had to pay fucking $110. $110 I had to fucking pay. And then all of a sudden I fucking got the tablet and now I have to fucking pay, I mean, not the tablet. And then all of a sudden I got the iPhone 6S. Now I have to pay $141 because they added $33. You know, $141 for the iPhone 6S. So this is my bill. This is all I pay. Data service. Another data service. Fucking data service. Phone. $33 a month every month for the phone. Tablet. Insurance comes to 100. And that's the total. 151. You know? And then 141. And then, hello. And then all of a sudden I called Sprint and then I said, you know, I asked them, I was like, can you break this down and tell me why I'm paying $141 a month? And she told me all of this. And then I was like, what is all this crap coming from? And she's like, well, I can transfer you. This is how she was like, you know, being weird. She's like, I can transfer you to a data plan that's going to be $16. That's going to be 60 bucks. It's going to be $19 less. It's going to be $19 less, she said. Shit, it's going to be $19 less. See that 10 and that 9 right there? That's 19. Shit, it's going to be $19 less. You're going to be saving 19. So I can switch you over to that data plan. And I was like, is there going to be a fee for this? She's like, no fee at all. Just switch you over. It's just going to be started on your next bill. And I was like, all right. So I was like, okay. And then she told me about my tablet. And I was like, I was like, can you take insurance off? Because I did not get insurance. I don't remember getting insurance. I never got my insurance. You know, if anything, I should have insurance on my phone instead of my tablet. Somebody put the insurance on my tablet. I did not ask for it. She's like, okay. And she removed the $10. The $15 is basically for 1 megabyte memory. And she reduced it to $5. Now, instead of it being 1 megabyte memory, I have 250 megabytes. Or 1 gigabyte memory. 1 gigabyte memory is the $15 a month for a tablet. Now, I don't have $15 a month. I have $5 a month for a tablet, but it's reduced. The memory is reduced to 250 megabytes. So it's the memory, I can only use it for like 5 seconds, basically. So so my data plan is 60 bucks. My phone bill, my phone is financed. It's on a lease. So I have to pay $33 a month for my phone and $5 for my tablet. So 60 plus 33 plus 5 is 98. Plus I get the discount every day. Every month, every day on the every 29th of each month I get a discount of $10. So my bill now, from now on, starting November, is going to be $88.89. Isn't that crazy? All this crazy stuff, you know. I don't remember this. I don't know why they added this. I don't know what the hell that is, and I don't know, somebody added that on my damn bill, and I didn't even, and they weren't even serving me. They were not even serving me or mailing me my bill anymore. They said everything was gonna be electronically, but I don't never receive anything electronically. I don't, you know, I don't even know what that means, receiving your bill electronically. I pay my bill over the phone, but normally my bill comes in the mail, and they stopped doing that when I got this. And then right when I got this, they're like, okay, we're gonna set you up with paper billing. Now it's gonna be mailed back to your house again. And I was like, thank you. You know, when I had all this crap, they didn't want to mail me my bill because they didn't want me to see all this crap. But now that I called and complained and like, why is this there? Who put that there? And what the hell are these two $10, $5? What the hell is all this crap? Now that I cleared it up, now they want to show me my bill. Now they're like, okay, we're gonna set you up with paper bill again, blah blah. See what they do to you? See what they're gonna do to you? That's crazy. It's crazy what they do. Sprint is thieves. They will steal your money. They will steal your money. Add this up. Add this up for 18 months and see how much you're gonna be paying Sprint. Add this up. You know, if I would have never made this call yesterday, I would have never gotten it reduced to 88, 89. That's a $63 difference, man. $63. I'm saving $63. You know, just by calling and complaining all this crap. You know. So this is a better deal, obviously. I mean, I still do not want. I want to be paying, you know, just $60. That's it. I just want to be paying $60, but I can't. You know, it's crazy.
Oh, nice.
So that's my phone bill. That's fucking crazy. Let me know what you guys think, how your phone bill is, how outrageously your phone bill is, and post them in the comments below. I want to hear your thoughts on my experience, you know, and your experience as well with Sprint. Like how are they treating you and everything? Just post them all in the comments below. Thanks. See you guys later.